So hello YouTube, today's video I'm gonna make on how to tune your Android setup. First let me share the system I have so that you can trust you are referring to right guy. So this is the SPL subwoofer 1000 watt RMS, no joke. Okay, it shakes my windshield. Also I have this monoblock amplifier, it's Aura 1100 watt RMS. So this is a high-end setup. This is a top model car, so it has component speakers and everything. But this time I went with this Android setup. This is Inavi Zen. DSC is the company manufacturer. So this is a DSC head unit, and it's not like a normal generic Chinese head unit which we saw in market available at 5-6k INR. This is a very good branded head unit worth 30k. It has licensed Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and it has all the support: 360-degree camera, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal. Okay, so this is a high-end head unit. The reason to make this video is to know how to do the tuning of Android head unit. So this is how the head unit sounds like. Now I will show you how to tune your system properly. Okay. So all Android head units have some kind of setting, like this one has the DSP, and this one has a KM7604 which is used in Pioneer head unit as well. This one has a chipset of Toshiba. Let me see if I can share the exact details. This is the head unit Inavi. It's made by DSC. So my model is the middle one, Zen model. These are some details. You can pause the video if you want to see the technical details. So it has two USB sockets. Why I chose Android this time, I'm telling you. It has two USB sockets. Generally Pioneer has only one if it's a mid-range head unit. It supports 360-degree camera inbuilt. It supports front and rear recording all the time inbuilt. It supports the dash cam. I installed the dash cam as well. So all these features these days are important to have in a car. If you have the opportunity to use those features, then you should definitely go for it. Now I will see if we can find the components used. It has all these settings. You won't find these many settings in normal Pioneer head unit. It supports HD camera. I'm trying to search if so this is the DSP. Okay, it has 32 band DSP, and now I'll show you live how it works. It supports 4K video playback. See, it supports the 360-degree camera. So that's all. So it has a very good chipset for amplifier, and it has a real DSP, not just a DSP application. Okay, now let me open the application, and now it's the important part of video. I will tell how to tune the Android head unit to the best audio quality which you can have. Okay, first let me clear that Android head units are not meant for sound quality. Even though premium Android head units like this one, I'm really not as happy as I was with Pioneer Z5090BT. These head units can never beat Pioneer head units in terms of sound quality. Okay, but in terms of features they will definitely beat out. And but this time I thought I will tweak it and I will tune it as per my taste, and then I will try to carry out best performance out of this head unit, and I did that. But still I would say, with the same setup, like my subwoofer, my speakers, I have, as I said before, I have top model. It has the component speakers with tweeters. Okay, so if with the same setup, I would definitely take better audio quality from Pioneer. That's my challenge to everyone whoever says Android head units are these days as good as Pioneer. It's not, because I will tell you the truth. These are very slim head units. Okay, these are very small head units. If you see from side view, I will hypothetically I'm telling, it's just a 1 inch plate. Okay, it's just a tablet with a mini small tiny amplifier inside, nothing else. It's not a real car audio player. It's just a tablet, guys. Just it's tweaked to perform as a car head unit. It's not meant to be a car head unit. A car head unit, a real car head unit like Pioneer, will have this much long chassis inside, and all the high quality components, heavy chassis it will have. Even OEM system you will find to be big, like Harman Kardon or any system you will find it to be very big. It's not for just show. Okay, it has heavy components inside like amplifier, capacitors, everything. But this system focuses on the display quality and the features, uh, but the sound quality is secondary part. Now many people will tell you, I am seeing in car audio industry, people are getting fooled by saying buy a DSP, then your system will be ultimate. It's not true, guys. DSP will just tweak your settings. Okay, it will give you pre-outs, which this head unit already has 4 volt 6 channel pre-out. That means 4 speakers and 2 for subwoofer. Okay, dedicated pre-out it has, so you can directly connect it to the amplifier, no worries about it. And if you want the better sound quality, you can have a DSP to have echo and all those tweaks, but adding DSP to your main source is not crystal clear. What's use of adding the another source to it? Okay, it's like a preamplifier. DSP is like a preamplifier, but your main source is not giving the clean clear signal, so it's useless. Better, if you are so focused about sound quality, go for Pioneer. Blindly go for Pioneer. And if you want to be satisfied in this unit, I will tell you what tweaks you are supposed to do, then you will be satisfied in this unit as well. Now you can see it has the 32 band equalizer, which starts from 20 hertz, 32 hertz, 50 hertz, 64 hertz, and like that. This is very good, and this allows you to tune it as per your taste. Okay, but I observed that like most of the head units, if I turn on the bass, it will compromise in some other part. Like this happens in all of the equalizers, even in your phone it will happen. So try to avoid the tweaking. I have tweaked only the highs because I found the highs are bit lacking. Highs you won't see here in the third band. See, I increased the highs. It is 32 band equalizer, so you will have to swipe away to see all the frequencies. Okay, so I have tweaked only highs. Other all frequencies are flat. This way you will have the crystal clear sound quality without compromising on any of the frequency response. Okay, I'm not sure why the focus is not so good, but it's a crystal clear display. So now coming to the soundstage part, this was for the equalizer. Keep the loudness on high, because if you keep it low or close, it sounds very dull. Okay, so I kept it on high, same as I used to keep in Pioneer. You can see my that video as well. I will drop the link in description for Pioneer's settings, where you will have clean distortion free audio. Here also you will have clean distortion free audio. Don't worry about it, unless and until you have this range of head unit. If you have extremely cheap head units like 5 to 10,000 rupees, which are generic, no brand, nothing, then you will have to compromise with everything. Okay, in that case I will recommend you, do not use this amplifier inside. Get a 4 channel amplifier for speaker and get a monoblock for a subwoofer. Use this head unit just for display if you have extremely cheap head unit. Okay, so this is kind of good head unit with good chipset. So I'm using the speakers on head unit, but I'm using RCA out for the subwoofer because my subwoofer is brutally powerful. Now coming to the sound stage, here I kept everything off because the delay and all that sound setting is not required in your normal setups. It's required in big cars with active setups. Okay. Now coming to the loudspeaker section, here you will see balance and fader, and always keep it on center. At least I keep it on center to have equivalent output from all the speakers. Now one setting is hidden over here. I struggled myself for long time. I was unable to find where is subwoofer pre-out. So here it's hidden. Click on subwoofer, then you will see this subwoofer on off. And it's not just for show, guys. Let me go back. I will show you. I play something. So I played this NCS track. You can see the sound quality, beautiful. I'm waiting for bass drop so that I can show you this is real. It has dedicated RC out for subwoofer where I have connected my subwoofer amplifier. Now you can hear the bass. Now I'll switch it off. Bass is gone. Now bass is back. Okay, so it's real. And this is the pre-out for bass. So this was just a short demo. If you want to see the full demo, you can see my previous video where I have shown the full depth performance of this subwoofer in daytime. Okay, this is just for your understanding. So keep this fader in center, subwoofer on 0. Okay, by stock the subwoofer setting when I reset this head unit was on -4, and many days I was unable to find the subwoofer setting, but now I found it. Now comes the most important part, which I explained in previous video as well. So this is the main thing where people don't have knowledge. Okay, how to extract what how to extract bass sound quality from each and every equipment you have. Okay, I will mute it. So your speakers are supposed to provide only mid and highs. If you expect your speakers to provide bass, then you should go for expensive speakers with dedicated amplifier supporting it. Okay, but in this case, or in 90% of cases, people won't install amplifier for the speakers. They will just install amplifier for their subwoofers. Okay, so I will consider this situation because subwoofer is must to have good sound quality. Now your HPF I kept on 125 Hz. In previous my Pioneer head unit I used to keep it on 250 Hz. Here also I tried to keep it on 250 Hz, but it's killing all the vocals. Okay, so I dropped it down to 125 Hz. This is a front HPF. This is for rear speakers, rear HPF. This is the slope at which you want to cut off the frequency. Max till 12, minimum till 6. Okay, so this is how the frequency is being shared. Now this midpoint shows that till 125 Hz subwoofer will do its job. Okay, it's in normal mode, not in reverb. You can see that. So till this phase, this area is for subwoofer, this area is for speakers, and this area, the triangle you see, is being shared by both of these, like subwoofer as well as the speakers. Okay, so this is how you should tune your head unit, your Android head unit, and then you will get so much clean audio output from your head unit. Okay, don't try to extract max out of it. These head units are not built for that purpose. And one more thing I observed, in Android, sorry, in Pioneer, you won't need to go about 75% of your volume, but in this head unit, to be really loud, I need to go till max volume. Okay, but fortunately there is no distortion at all even on max volume in this head unit. But in cheap Chinese head unit, which I said, no name generic head units which are manufactured in bulk at China, so in that case you should definitely get a small amplifier for speakers and dedicated mono for subwoofer, or you can directly go for 5 channel amplifier. Make sure your head unit has the 6 channel pre out for that. If you don't have 6 channel pre out and you're gonna use the same traditional 4 channel output, then better go for 4 channel amp only. You can utilize 2 channels for the speakers and 2 channels in bridge mode for the subwoofers. That is the cheapest way you can have some good sound quality. See, these head units are improving day by day. I don't have complaint from them, but as a true audiophile, true bass head, I would not recommend to go with Android head units unless and until you need all these features. Okay, I just brought it this time because I wanted to explore, and I did lots of analysis to find the best head unit in market. This is the one of the best head unit with the high end specification, but still it cannot match the quality of Pioneer head unit. Sorry for the lengthy video, but many people were asking for this video how to tune Android head unit properly. There are some extra settings you will find. This is just like a tablet, so it has lots and lots of settings. You will find some settings over here, some settings hidden over here and there. But I won't recommend you to go into these settings. These are developer modes. So traditionally you should only focus on this DSP, and this is a dedicated app, OEM app from the manufacturer of this head unit. And almost all head unit have this DSP setting, but there is a dedicated DSP chipset. As I said before, it's AKG or AKM 7406 or 7604. I don't remember exactly, but you can go to website of this head unit. I will drop a website below, and you can find what chipset is used for DSP. It's a true chip inside, and it's a true DSP in this head unit, not like the cheap ones. Okay, and still I am not satisfied with the sound quality, to be honest, even though this has everything which you can have at the best in Android section, but still I am not satisfied. Do not compare this with Pioneer lookalike head unit is there, which is AP6650, I believe, and it looks exactly same, and it matches with this frame, but it's not an Android head unit. It's a Linux based system. It has very limited features compared to this one, and that is how the head unit should be. Head unit should have less features so that it performs flawless and fast. This head unit lags like hell. This one does not lag, but in general the cheaper ones lag like hell. That is the reason behind it is uh, you load lots of applications in the cheap head unit. This head unit has the metal heatsink behind, even though it's slim, but still it has a very bulky structure. It's pretty heavy in weight, and it's built heavily. Okay, try to have head unit which has the metal heatsink, and if it has the fan, then it's a plus point. It's the best head unit. Don't go for cheap plastic head units for cheap price as well as cheap quality. Rather, if you are tight on budget but if you still need sound quality, go for normal single din Pioneer head unit. No problem at all. Go for single din, you will get excellent sound quality. Just put the pen drive and blast your music. Okay, so this was my video, honest video as always, on Android head units sound quality part. Okay, if you have any questions, drop your comments below. Stay tuned, live loud.